Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to discuss about Rankine cycle. So here is the schematic diagram for Rankine cycle. So there are the basic parts in a Rankine cycle, and these parts are first part is the first component is boiler, then turbine, second one is, then third one is condenser and pump. So these four are the basic components in a Rankine cycle. So function of boiler is that boiler which generates the steam. Okay, so boiler is the device which converts the water into steam. This is the function of the boiler. So by addition of the heat at a constant pressure, that boiler converts the water into a steam. Okay, now the second part is a turbine. Turbine is the device where which in which steam will be expanded. Okay, turbine in which the steam will be expanded isentropically, and the process, whatever that process 3 to 4, that process is a isentropic expansion process. Okay, where the entropy remains constant. So turbine in which the steam will be expands isentropically. Okay, now the next component is the condenser. Now condenser which removes the heat from the exhaust steam, whatever the exhaust steam coming from the turbine. So that exhaust steam will be whatever the heat from that exhaust steam which should be removed by that condenser. Okay, and that heat will be removed at a constant pressure. Okay, so heat addition should be at constant pressure, and heat removing from the that exhaust steam, it should be also at a constant pressure. Now the last component is the pump. Okay, pump it is the device which raises the pressure of the liquid water. Okay, whatever the that water which is in a hot well. Okay, हॉट वेल में जो वाटर होता है, सो दैट उस वाटर की जो प्रेशर है वो रेज करने का काम पंप करता है. ओके, सो विच रेजेस द प्रेशर ऑफ द लिक्विड वाटर to the boiler pressure, and that raises the pressure up to the boiler pressure. Okay, and pump it into the boiler for the conversion into steam, and whatever that water that should be pumped inside that boiler to raise the to convert again that water into the steam. Okay, so this device is a pump. Okay, now we can see the TS diagram for a Rankine cycle. First thing is that a Rankine cycle is a practical cycle. It is a practical cycle. So we are going to see TS diagram. Okay, so this is the TS diagram. Okay, now here is the process 1 to 2. We know process 1 to 2, it is the during the process 1 to 2 what happen, it is the isentropic compression process. 1 to 2, it is isentropic compression process in which the pressure of that liquid water, it should be increases up to the boiler pressure. Okay, so as it is a isentropic compression process, so process 1 to 2, here is the process 1 to 2. So this is 1, this is 2. Okay, this is state 2. So pressure 1 to 2, it is increases. Okay, now pressure 1 to 2, it is increases, and as it is a isentropic process, so here it is a exactly straight vertical line. Okay, as it is isentropic process, so we know during isentropic compression process entropy remains constant. So here is the entropy. Okay, so entropy increases towards right, decreases towards left, but it is a constant. That's why it is exactly vertical straight line. Okay, now process 2 to 3. Okay, process 2 to 3 in which conversion of that water, liquid water, into the steam. Okay, so heat is added. So heat addition process take place, and that heat addition process, it is at a constant pressure process. So this is heat addition process. Okay, so here is that process. Okay, so here we will get point number 3. So this is our point number 3. Okay, so here is the process 1 to 2 isentropic compression process. Okay, now 2 to 3 process, 2 to 3 process, it is a constant pressure heat addition in which conversion of that water liquid into liquid water into a steam. So this is our state number 3. Okay, now 3 to 4 process. See here, 3 to 4 process, it is a expansion process, and that expansion process, it is isentropic expansion process. That's why here entropy remains constant. So we can show that expansion process, that is isentropic expansion process, with the help of exactly vertical straight line. Okay, so this is our exactly vertical straight line, and this is our state or the point number 4. Okay, so 1 to 2 process, it is a isentropic compression process, so entropy remains constant. 2 to 3 process, it is 2 to 3 process in which what happen, heat addition takes place where the conversion of that liquid water into steam. Now 3 to 4, it is a isentropic expansion process where we will get the work output. Okay, now 4 to 1 process, here is the 4 to 1 process in which during the 4 to 1 process what happen, condensation process happen. Okay, so conversion of that exhaust steam from the turbine into a liquid water. Okay, so this is the process 4 to 1, and it is also constant pressure process. Here is also constant pressure process. So 4 to 1, it is a constant pressure process. Okay, so during that constant pressure what is happening, conversion of that steam, exhaust steam, into a liquid water, and again that liquid water is pumped to boiler. Okay, so this is the total Rankine cycle. Thank you.